Good morning, kids. How are you all? Hope you all are happy, safe at your home. I am your Achal ma'am from New Era Global School. So, kids, start with prayer. So, open your hands, close your eyes. इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना, हम न सोचे हमें क्या मिला है, हम ये सोचे किया क्या है अर्चन, फूल खुशियों के बाटे सभी को, सबका जीवन भी बन जाए मधुबन, अपनी करुणा का जल तू बहा के, भावना मन में बदले की होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना, इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. Now rub your hands, put them on your eyes, open your eyes, and now you feel fresh. Okay, so today's session we start with daily conversation. So first, take a bath every day. हमें रोज नहाना चाहिए, right? Then first wake up early in the morning. हमें रोज सुबह जल्दी उठना चाहिए. Then take a bath every day. Brush your teeth twice a day. Brush your teeth twice a day. हमें कितनी बार ब्रश करना चाहिए? 2 बार. एक सुबह उठने के बाद और एक रात को सोने से पहले. Then we should wear a clean clothes. We should wear a clean clothes. हमें कैसे कपड़े पहनने चाहिए? अच्छे और साफ सुथरे. Then comb your hair regularly. Comb your hair regularly. हमें रोज हमारे हेयर को क्या करना चाहिए? Comb. क्या करना चाहिए? Comb. Then cut your nails regularly. Then pray to God. Then pray to God. Then wash your hand before and after meal. So our daily conversation is done. So yesterday what did we learn, kids? Yesterday we learned small letter Z in our worksheet. So today we learn capital letter Z in our worksheet. So first I will tell you one beautiful story. So are you all ready for today's story? Come with me. Okay, so today's story is Zubi the zebra. Yes, our today's story name is Zubi the zebra. Zubi the zebra who lives in the zoo. I will tell you what is meant by zoo. There are animals who lives in zoo. Okay, so Zubi the zebra who lives in zoo. There are many animals in the zoo, and there are many animals like giraffe, elephant, panda. Okay, so Zubi the zebra lives in a zoo, and there are many flowers like zinnia. Zinnia is a flower. There are many flowers like zinnia. And where does the Zubi live? Zubi lives in a zoo. Zubi like to eat zucchini and pizza. Zucchini is vegetable and pizza is fast food, right? Zebra like to eat. Zubi like to eat zucchini and pizza. Yes. Are you like to eat pizza, everyone? आप लोगों को पिज्जा पसंद है खाना? तो आपको पता है ज़ुबी को क्या पसंद था खाना? जुकीनी एंड पिज्जा. ज़ुबी लाइक टू डू जुम्बा. ज़ुबी लाइक टू डू जुम्बा. डू यू नो ज़ुबी ओनली वॉक ऑन zigzag line. Oh, Zubi only walk on zigzag line. Once a day, Zubi only walk on zigzag line. So once a day, he decide to go outside from zoo. Zubi decide to go outside from zoo. So he saw a road. He saw a road. He saw a road. And he saw a road and zebra crossing. He saw a road and zebra crossing. So Zubi was very happy and he walked on zebra crossing. He walked on zebra crossing. He walked on zebra crossing and Zubi was so happy. He saw a zebra crossing because why Zubi was happy? Because the zebra crossing looked like zebra. Yes, the color of the zebra crossing is same as zebra. So Zubi was happy. Zubi was happy. So today's story is based on Zubi. Today's story is based on Zubi. Now, did you notice the words in this story I will tell you? Did you notice the words like Zubi the zebra, then zinnia, then zigzag, then zucchini, then pizza, then zebra crossing. Yes. So yes, we learn today capital letter Z. And what is the phonic sound of Z, kids? So yesterday we learned small letter Z in our worksheet. So how we write the letter Z? Which line is this? Slipping line, in blue line slipping line, left side slanting line. Then again in blue line we make a slipping line, small letter Z. So how we write a capital letter Z? We start with pink line, in pink line we make a slipping line. Then left side slanting line, in blue line we make another slipping line. Easy, na? Same as small letter Z, but this one is capital letter who start with pink line. So take out your English test worksheet, everyone. Take out your English worksheet, page number, take out English worksheet, page number 76. Page number 76. Okay. So are you ready for today's classwork? Write down classwork and are you happy? Yes, so make a smiley, trace and write the letter Z. So how we write the letter Z? How we write the letter Z, kids? So first in two line we trace the letter Z. Start with pink line, then slanting line, then again slipping line. Z says, start with pink line, slanting line and slipping line. Again start with pink line, slipping line, left side slanting line, then slipping line. Z says, which letter Z is this? Capital letter Z. And what is the phonic sound of Z? What is the phonic sound of Z? Z says, so slipping line, slanting line, slipping line. Z says, slipping line, slanting line, slipping line. Z says, slipping line, slanting line, slipping line. Z says, now our trace part is done. Now how we write the letter Z? Start with pink line, make a pink line, slipping line, then slanting line, then slipping line. Z for zebra, zebra. Z for zucchini, zucchini. Z for zoo, zoo. Z for zero. We write capital letter Z. And what is the phonic sound of Z? What is the phonic sound of Z? Pink line to blue line, slipping line, slant line, slipping line, slipping line, slant line, slipping line. Z says for zebra. Z says for zoo. Z says Z. So today's class, which is in English worksheet, is done. Now homework time. So kids, trace and write the letter Z. So write down HW here. So today's our homework is in English worksheet, English textbook. So first we trace the letter Z and slip. So how we trace the letter Z? In pink line, slipping line, slanting line and slipping line makes the letter Z. Again, and same as classwork, we trace the letter Z. And now start with pink line, slipping line, to blue line, slant line, left side slant line, again slipping line, left side slant line, slipping line makes the letter Z. And Z says Z. Z for Zumba, Z says Z. Z for zero, Z says Z. Z for zucchini, Z says Z. So same as classwork, आपको क्या करना है आज का homework. So now again take out page number 72, paste the sticker here. So which sticker is this? Sticker in the last page of a book. Last page of a book. You see, our sticker part is also done, right? Because our letter is also done, right? So stick here, and you know that Z letter is the last letter of the alphabet. So today we learn all letters like A to Z. Yes. Okay. So now our homework and classwork part is done. So kids, our classwork and homework part is done. So now today in today's video I will tell you one story of zebra. Yes, zebra. So Z for zebra. So today's activity is based on letter Z. Which letter Z is this? Capital letter Z. Slipping line, left side slanting line, right side then another slipping line. So kids, so parents, we need one A4 size paper. I will cut here in a square shape. Then I will draw a Z here. So shall we start our today's activity? So we need the black strips of a chart paper or craft paper, and then downside curve, then one triangle shape. So shall we start our today's activity? So first, apply a fevistick on letter Z. Letter Z, and Z says Z. Z says Z. So now apply like this. Now paste black strips one by one here like this. Uneven, big, small. Like this. Z for zebra, and zebra look like zigzag. Zebra look like zebra crossing, right? And we paste strips here. Z for zebra, and Z says Z. Z says Z. You know, only one animal who black and white. You know that? Stick here like this. Uneven. Z for zebra, and Z says Z. Z says Z. So now apply a fevistick on downside curve, and we make stick here. Okay, then we take a triangle and we stick here. like this. So now our zebra face is done. Now again apply a small streak one by one here. One by one. Like this. Only one small. So our activity is based on letter Z, and Z for zebra. Z for zebra. So today's activity is done. We make a zebra with the help of a craft paper. So our today's classwork and homework part is done. Then I will tell you one story, and our today's activity part is also done. So hope you like our today's storytelling activity part with classwork and homework. Thank you everyone. Enjoy your awesome day. Bye.